Hi everyone, this is Rob Roy of Elliott Wave Options, and welcome to another edition of TradeFinder Live. All right, so let's take a look at the FIP retracement level. And as you know, we had passed the 50% level. So now we're sitting here. It lasted one day. We had Friday's close right on the 50% level with that doji. So we backed off a little bit yesterday, and we're back above the 50% level. And we talked about if we broke above that level, then our likely next stop is here. And then I think it gets interesting. And then we've been talking about what's happened in the past. It's difficult to find anything like this. I think we're actually setting history. But believe it or not, if we go back and look at the Depression, the market crash at 29, it was kind of similar. And remember, we just completed that zigzag right here. So we completed that with an extended C wave. We did the same thing here with the crash at 29. And you'll see that we also had a 161.8% correction. Actually, all the way down to 261.8, which is what we were wondering if it was going to happen here. So pretty interesting, isn't it? And then guess what happened? From the big move all the way down to the bottom, look where the bounce was. Right on the 50% level. So right in the area where we are here. It took a long time. It didn't happen quite as fast as this one has, but we did recover 50%. And then from that point, we just kind of meandered around for a while. And I don't think that that's out of the realm of possibility of what could happen now. There's lots of damage that has been done. Yeah, the Federal Reserve is throwing a ton of money into the Treasury and into financials, and that money will work its way into the market. I think that's already been factored in. Now we find out what happens after that. Is the Federal Reserve just going to come in forever? Their quote was that we can do whatever we want, basically is what Powell said, which I guess at some point you have to wonder if it's going to collapse the dollar. I thought we'd take a look at it. If you like these recordings, I'd like to invite you to join our new TradeFinder Live, where each and every week we do a live webinar where we talk about the market, but we also go a little more in depth into the technical analysis system that we utilize to forecast where the market's likely going to go, and also to identify trading opportunities. Get your free subscription today. Take care, everybody.